welcome to my channel or back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Ooh, y'all, I'm so excited. You know I love me a really good protein waffle, and since this is like fall theme, I went ahead and said, hey, let me make some sweet potato protein waffles. I don't like pumpkin, but feel free to substitute the sweet potato for the pumpkin. Whatever tickles your fancy is fine with me. So we have some strawberries, some blackberries, my maple syrup, my organic eggs, and some pecans, y'all. It's pecans, not pecans, it's pecans. So this was a really good recipe, and I already had my pre-made wheat mix, and of course I had my grapeseed oil. Y'all, listen, these sweet potato protein waffles was hitting. When I start dancing like that, that means the food is real good. Okay, guys, so for lunch, I wanted something quick, something easy. I love to eat a quick little sandwich. You can always add any chicken, turkey, or anything to this particular recipe. I, however, am pescatarian, so I just went with all vegetables and some fruit. So this is a savory herbs sweet potato sandwich with caramelized onions, green apple, and some arugula and spinach. Don't forget to drink your water. y'all, so we've made it to dinner. I wanted something quick, something nutritious, and something very colorful. I have Brussels sprouts, which are like one of my favorite vegetables, and then we have the red onion, and the star of the show, Miss Sweet Potato. And if you don't like sweet potato, go get your pumpkin. It's okay, y'all. Some apples. I cut everything up to prepare. This is a one sheet meal. It's very simple, easy. Put it in the oven, done. And I also added Atlantic salmon for my just protein. Here on
about what you're gonna do. Don't just dream about what you're gonna do. Don't criticize somebody else for what they're not doing. You be it. Be about it. Be about that action and go do it. Keep your eye on your intention. Don't let any outside distraction or your own insecurity stop you from your goals. Embrace that struggle. Surviving that struggle will strengthen you.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, I'm actually hungry right now, so let me know what I should do next. Thanks. Bye, guys.